I'm Sue and she's Rainbow, my lovely partner. Today we are going to share with you an easy egg fried rice in 5 minutes. We only need 2 ingredients plus 1 secret ingredient which enhances the egg flavor a lot. In this video, I also share with you how I cook the rice without rice cooker and without failure. It's very easy and simple too. So first of all, let's go to our kitchen and I'm going to make the rice. Just to tell you, I don't have rice cooker as well because you see, my kitchen is very small. In Hong Kong, most of the kitchen is like this size. The rice cooker broke, I didn't buy a new one. And today we're going to steam it. See, I have this 2 pots and also the area is so small. And that one, this one is her bottle sterilizer and this is my steamer. Also can use this pot for rice steaming. So let's get and let me rinse the rice first. Let me put her down first. So let's start to rinse our rice and I got 1 cup of rice and ready. In this step, we have to wash couples of times until the water clear. For the water, we can add 1/2 inch above the rice. Is always perfect. So let's get to the steaming part. If you have the steamer like this, then you can use it for rice steaming. But if you don't have, that's okay because we also can use this pot to cook the rice. It's fairly easy. Same. Prepare a cloth and place on top. Then add water and then we can put the rice here and then steam it for 20 minutes. So let's put our water. Place enough water and then I put the rice, let it sit, steam. When the water boils, then we can cover it with the lid. See, the water is boiling now and I cover the lid. Okay, let's wait 20 minutes and then we will be back and I'm going to give Rainbow some food to eat. Timer 20 minutes.
Your timer is set for 20 minutes.
Okay, time's up. Let's check. Let it simmer it at least 10 minutes. Okay, after simmering for a while, let's check. Ooh, let's taste it. Perfect. See how easy is that? Just take it out. And you never have to wash a sticky pan or sticky pot. I hope you really enjoy this method because this is really simple and you never have to wash a sticky pot. Never ever. Save a lot of time. If you like it, remember to give me a like. And we go to next step. In order to make it quicker, I'm using a fan to shorten the time. Okay. This is almost cool. This is the fastest way to make it. Thank you, this little fan. Okay, we are back. Just to let you know, I also cooked for Rainbow, this one. If you don't have rice cooker, you always can cook it for yourself. Even a little one. See, this is very small. It's for Rainbow. And I also prepared some fruits for her. Rainbow, 你食住呢啲先. Today we need 3 egg yolks. And we stir it first. In this step, we can coat the egg on every grain of the rice. Just be patient and we can coat on every single grain with egg yolk. And after that, we can cook the rice easily. 好啦，你幫媽媽整啊。唔整啊？你又話要嘅？ We don't need grape. 唔使㗎。我哋唔要蛋，我哋唔要提子㗎。你自己食啊？好乖喎 ，thank you。Then What is the secret ingredients I'm going to tell you now is ginger. Need only 1 centimeter. I'm going to use garlic presser. Ooh. This ginger can enhance the egg flavor a lot. You feel more tangy egg taste. 係咯，我哋整飯啦，而家好嘛？好嘛？整飯飯。Okay, let's take our gear. And I bought this for Rainbow. See, she got the stove also. Rainbow. Yeah, you got the pot too. 哎呀，你睇呢度有喎，你有橙喎，明 Rainbow？ 呢度有喎。哇，係喎，咪太多啊！啱俾呢個你先。1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Look at the colors. It's already in golden yellow. Okay. Time for the rice. Okay. 你做好，過來，邊行有邊行，出嚟，過來，係喎。Oh, and you can use your spatula to place it in one single layer. That's easier for serve. Just like this. At this moment, we need patience. And I take care of her. Ah, 係喎。It's almost. Okay, let me turn off the heat and I'm going to get the salt. I forget to get the salt. Rainbow, 媽媽俾少少你先好冇？咦 This is for her without salt, and then I can give some for her. See this little one? This is for her. A 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Rainbow 揸住。哇，係喎！哇！係啦。Actually, you can add soy sauce, but in order to get the color, golden color, I'm not using soy sauce. Mix it well. Okay, that's it. Voila! This is the golden fried rice. And I'm going to garnish with some spring onion. Rainbow, 媽媽整食。哎呀，媽住，媽媽拎走呢個。哎呀，搞事啊！放喺度先。So heavy. I'm going to garnish with some spring onion. I cut it directly here. Yay! It's done! Look at the golden mountain! Fried rice! Okay, we finished the egg fried rice and we're going to take photo and then we taste it. Okay, let's taste the rice. Rainbow, 呢個媽媽嘅，因為呢個冇，呢個有鹽嘅。It's very simple. 5 minutes and you're done. You can always pair with your dishes, vegetables, and all kinds of tofu, anything. And I prepared this for Rainbow. This little one without salt. Baby. 攞呢個。Mama? I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. It is very easy. 5 minutes you can cook the egg fried rice. Very simple and yummy. If you like how I steam the rice with the rice cooker, please give me a like and comment below. If you want another video, please let me know what topic you want and what Chinese food you are going to learn, and I'm going to take it for you. See you in the next week. Bye bye. Bye bye Rainbow. Bye bye. Bye bye. Hay quá,食飯飯喎。哎呀，望呢個鼻鼻啊！哎呀〜